What's up guys? Today we wanna make chicken pesto sandwich. Stay tuned it. Where is my knife? Cut the chicken breast in half and start seasoning it with mustard sauce, Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, fresh or dried rosemary, garlic, fresh basil, and olive oil. It's one of the best chicken marinades I have ever used. For a creamy pesto sauce, put garlic, olive oil, basil without the stem, salt, black pepper in a mixture jar and start mixing it. In the second step, we add walnuts and Romano cheese to it. This texture is different for the pesto sauce that is used inside the sandwich. For the sandwich topping, we want to make a flavorful dried tomatoes. Put a little hot water on the tomatoes and they are ready to be flavored. Add garlic, chili flakes, fresh or dried rosemary, oregano, coriander seeds, salt, and olive oil to it. It's better to consume it after 2 days and it can last up to 3 months. Start cooking the chicken in olive oil. Try to keep the chicken juicy. Serve on any bread you like and enjoy all this deliciousness. This is the best pesto sandwich you can eat. Enjoy your meal. Buon appetito!